Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 8 Rand Place in the village of Pittsford.
This historic home, circa 1895, has been updated to perfection and is one of the hallmark homes in the village of Pittsford.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with a charming front porch, leading to the spacious foyer with intricate details. Inletted and stained glass windows, crown molding, impressive staircase, and beautiful hardwood floors, setting the tone for this marvelous historic home.
Enjoy all of yesteryear's charm with today's modern updates, complemented with phenomenal open living. Featuring a white and bright designer eat-in kitchen with shaker-style cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a Blanco sink, granite countertops, a custom wood breakfast bar, and a pocket door. Open to the living room with crown molding, a cozy gas fireplace with a stone surround, and decorative mantel and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the dining room with great natural light and French doors. The first floor also features a spacious family room with crown molding, French doors, and a pass-through window to the kitchen, all with an adjacent updated powder room.
The excitement and charm continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms and an updated full bathroom, including this relaxing owner's bedroom, featuring crown molding, fireplace, and hardwood floors. But there's more. In one of the bedrooms has a charming sitting area with a wall of windows to take in those great village views, plus a 3rd floor office or potential guest suite with a full bathroom. The space is amazing.
This is a great space to sit back, relax, and enjoy the big game. This finished lower level has rustic charm with exposed brick, pine walls, and vintage beams. The blended design gives the space a modern, rustic feel.
This property has been updated to perfection, with keeping all the historic details of this circa 1895 home. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details.
Enjoy the fun and active village lifestyle with an expansive paver patio with a built-in grill, complemented by exquisite landscaping and stonework, all on a rare double lot with a 2-car detached garage. Imagine the great summer barbecues and hosting the parties before the wonderful village events. This is a village garden paradise.
Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8 Rand Place in the village of Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!